Yeah, welcome. This is your boy ttaphisco, the Crypto Huddle. Thank you for joining me. For those who are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your subscription is important. Thanks everyone for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to send your CRO tokens, your CRO coins from Metamask back to your crypto.com wallet. But as you can see, this is my crypto.com app. If I want to receive token, basically I'll go to transfer, click on transfer, then click on deposit. Okay, and when you click on deposit, there are a few things that will come up. If it's crypto.org, this is the kind of address that will show. Now if it's ERC20, okay, this is what you will see. It's going to be a 09F and so on and so forth, right? Which is the Ethereum version. Okay, so this is if you are your Metamask, if your CRO is in your Metamask and it's ERC20, or it's in another wallet but it's ERC20. But what I'm going to be doing in this demonstration is to transfer the token from the Cronos blockchain, which is this guy here, Cronos, and it's going to be 09X and so on and so forth. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and check my MetaMask right quick, and then I'll do the swap, and then we'll come back to the crypto.com wallet, and then you will see the tokens. Copy wallet address, and now I'm gonna go to my MetaMask, put it there, and send it across. So now that I'm in my MetaMask, I'm gonna send some CRO to my crypto.com wallet. So what I will do is I will come to send. I'll put the address of my receiving address which I got from the crypto.com, and I'm gonna type how many CRO do I want to send. Okay, I'm not gonna send a whole lot because this is the first time I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do, let's say 85. Okay, and then I'm gonna click next. And there's a little bit of gas fee. This is just trial, and then that's done, that's sent. Okay, so now what I need to do is basically go back to my crypto.com and see if that has been received or not. So let's go, let me just refresh this. It's still sending. If I want to speed it up, I can, but okay, it looks like the send has gone. As you can see, the 1000 is here, and 85 it's gone. So I'm just gonna check the other side, other end. So here's my Metamask wallet. Here's my crypto.com wallet, and as you can see, the 85 CRO is here, and it's $33.47 here. So this has concluded my tutorial for sending your CRO from Metamask to crypto.com using the Cronos blockchain. And once it lands here within within crypto.com, you can swap your CRO to whatever coin you want within crypto.com. And then you can send it out to wherever you want. Okay, and that concludes my tutorial. If this is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just go to the comment section, and don't forget to check the description box. There's a lot of good information in there. You can follow me on Telegram. You can be on my Patreon. I'm on Twitter. I'm everywhere, and I appreciate you guys. Peace out.